G'day, my name's Nathan. I am a teacher and I'm here to talk to you on Twinkl's Teacher Talk. The hardest thing about being a teacher would be managing your time. You are so busy in the classroom that 9 to 5 time that you would be in school is so incredibly busy, and then you have things like report writing and assessing and giving feedback. There's so much you need to do, so learn how to prioritise and you'll be a much better teacher. The thing that excites me the most about being a teacher would be those aha moments that you get in the classroom when a student learns something, but it's also those long and lasting impacts that you have on a student and their life, even after school. Some of my past students are teachers now, and seeing that you had a role in that, even if it was a small one, it's just so satisfying. Some advice I got as a graduate teacher was it is so much easier to release the control of your classroom gradually than it is to completely lose control and then try and rein them back in. It is something I guess teachers have to learn themselves. It's one of those hard lessons, but it is one of those things that if you do it and you can master that skill, everything about teaching gets easier. The thing I do to support my colleagues and the staff around me would be just maintaining the fun. Teaching is a really stressful job, but it's also the best job in the world, and it's really fun. So just reminding them to laugh, even if it's just at me and what I'm doing. I think bringing the joy back to teaching is something I do to support my colleagues. Yeah.